Greetings everyone out there, right here. Welcome back to Thaco's Cave. Hey, today I'm going to be starting a new series called Hobby Hacks. These are just simple, easy things anybody can do to make their hobby go a little bit easier for them. More like personalization, you know? This right here is going to be the first episode of it, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a wet pellet. This is really simple, easy to do, and I'll show you how to make it for under $1. Let's get to it. Slide that out of the way. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get our sandwich container, like that one right there. These are 2 for $1 at either Walmart or Dollar Tree or any of those other places. Like I said, this is going to be under $1 per wet pellet. So you just take your lid off. Now you take this lid, put it with your parchment paper, and then trace out, and you get a basic shape of what you're going to need. You're also going to need paper towel. I use the kind that's half sheets because it's a lot easier to use. So you take it like this, third it again, and then go back, third it this way. That way it fits nice and neat right in the bottom of your sandwich container. These are pretty much airtight. And it will take a long time for this to dry out. Just take water and just drizzle it over top. So your paper towel absorbs it up. Shift around a little bit because you want this almost center as best you can. Right? And you take your parchment paper. Start with the logo side down. Alright, just blot it on there really good. And then turn it over. I do that so that it doesn't curl as much. And then add some more water to it. Now this is porous material, and you're going to get water droplets and stuff like that on the top. I did cut this a little large for what I needed because I thought it would be a little bit thicker than that. But I'll go back and I'll trim this down off camera and I'll be right back. Sorry about that. But there you go. Quick, simple. Now, got the wet palette damp, and as you can see, there are some water droplets on the parchment, which come in really handy for blending. So you could take, like, let's say, dark purple. Shake it up pretty good. Put your drop of that right on your wet palette. And then let's say you want to tone it down a little bit. And you want to put some light gray in it. Go, a little drop will do ya. Just to make it interesting, I'm going to add a little bit of ruddy flesh color here. These are the colors I mix together when I'm painting a drow. Let's take and pull it over. It's damp, so you're going to get just enough. You know how drows got that ashy purple color to their skin. There we go. That is the base coat that I start with. When I'm painting a drow. And it's mixed up pretty good. And we'll just put it on. Let's see here. Let's paint the back of this ghoul, just to show you. Here we go. That's how I start my drowse. There you go. A quick, simple, easy wet palette. Anybody can do it. Saves you paint when you're not using it. Hey, let me know in those comments down below what you thought of this video. And share with your friends. I bet a lot of them would like to know. This works great for paints for miniatures, canvas painting, anything like that. As long as it's hobby painting, this is going to save your time and it's going to save you money with not having to replace your paints as quickly as they're drying out. Till next time, thank you for watching. You have a great day.